Hi there again, everyone. Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I am going to be tackling the under the kitchen sink cabinet, and I'm going to be showing you how I use my latest Dollar Tree DIY multi-purpose organizer to organize under it to resolve the issues that we've been having with this space. But before that, I just want to apologize for the look of this cabinet because it has seen better days. I have a project coming up in spring where I will be revamping our cabinets. I'm going to have my husband help me out on those. But yeah, we're going to be fixing this. So for now, it's going to be as ugly as this. But even uglier is inside this cabinet. And I'm almost embarrassed to show it to you, but just want to keep it real, everyone. I didn't stage this to look this messy. It has been this messy for the past couple of months now, with some of my families and relatives coming over for the holidays. They stayed with us, so it's been busy. So a lot of places, especially this one under the sink, has been neglected. I have attempted to organize this space. I've had this set up for a couple of years now, where I use this storage bins that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they do not really work, and especially that area there at the back where it's so hard to reach. I mean, it's so hard with us aging. You know, when we were much younger, my husband and I, we can just kneel down and not hurt our knees. Okay, I'm just telling you the truth that as people age, not all of our bodily functions function the same way years ago, like decades ago, right? So what I'm thinking is I am going to declutter this, purge the items that we don't really need, those items at the back we never even reach out to them, and I'm going to try to organize the reusable grocery bags as well. So let's get started. First, I am going to be removing all these items, and I'm going to be cleaning this space up. Okay, so guys, here are the items that came out of the cabinet, all of them. And I'm just surprised how they fit, and I see some items that are duplicated because probably I couldn't, or we couldn't reach at the very back or inside the dungeon or the cave, and we end up buying again, and then that's why there were so many things layering on top of each other. So I'm going to purge this, and I'm going to be putting them in a bin, a storage bin that will be staying in the garage. That bin is just going to be for any extra supplies that we may be able to keep them there, and then once we run out of them here in the under the cabinet, then we can just go ahead and open that bin and see if we still have items that we need, and then we're going to take them out of there. And then moving forward, we're not going to buy too much of any of the items because we always go out on errands anyway. We'll just get what we need when we need them. Anyway, I'm going to continue on. So this empty cabinet is of course a mess, so I'm just cleaning it up. I'm keeping the same liner, just washing or cleaning it. Okay, after cleaning the liner thoroughly and disinfecting it, I am going to be assessing what I'm going to be doing here in this space. As you can see, this is my biggest challenge. This is the incinerator, this round cylindrical black thing. It does hamper or obstruct the area for storage. And then there's some drain pipe there, hose there for the dishwasher, and then also the electrical cords. So I'm going to try to avoid those challenges. I'm going to try to work around it, and at the very back, since we cannot reach them anyway, I'm only going to store items there that we need but rarely use. And then I'm going to be using my DIY organizer that I have uploaded here, and if you haven't seen it, I'm going to be linking it here on this video so that you can watch that as well. So I'm going to be showing you how I use that in this space. I'm going to go ahead and use this small square container. So this is small enough, or just the right size to fit into that corner there. And this is where I'm going to put our sink plunger here. Okay. You see there's another hose here. I don't know if you could see it. That's where the water from the dishwasher travels. So I don't want to block it. So here's where, see? That's why I can only have probably this here. And it should be a little close here towards the front and not all the way to the back, so that when my husband reaches for it, he's not going to complain that he's going to have a bad back. I placed the fire extinguisher on the left portion of the back of this under the kitchen sink cabinet. And like I said, it's very useful. We need to be able to reach for it right away, and I don't want to keep it in the garage. I just want to keep it here in the kitchen just in case there's a fire. So I'm hoping we don't need to use it, but just in case, it's there. Then my husband is planning on kind of probably elevating it a little bit and moving it a little closer to the front so that it's easier to reach. So we're going to get a clamp so that we can put it there. Now this is my DIY organizer that I just created, and if you are interested in watching it, I've already linked it on the earlier portion of this video, but I will link it down in the description box as well, and also at the end of this video there will be video thumbnails that you can click on. So this is what I'm using here to organize my cleaning products. As you could see, I made sure that I have an upper portion on this system so that it's not too difficult to reach for the cleaning items that we will use every day. So placing this towards the front makes it easily accessible. So our daily cleaning items, I'm going to be placing them here. Use this narrower baskets so that they will fit in the space to avoid this plumbing fixtures that we have here that is obstructing the way. Next, I'm placing this deep square basket that I got at Dollar Tree. This is one of my favorite basket or organizer to get at Dollar Tree. It can hold a lot of stuff. So this is where I'm going to be placing the bigger supplies that we have that will not fit in the DIY container or organizer that I created, like the liquid detergents or the liquid soap, as well as dishwashing liquid. So let me start organizing this basket here. I'm using this skinny tray basket that I also got at Dollar Tree, and I'm placing my cleaning brush there so that in case I will need it, any of the brushes that I'm putting here, I'm just gonna lift the tray up and then put this on the sink. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna dry things up, wipe it any water away, and then put them there. Now I have some dishwashing pods there that I placed in one of the round plastic containers. It's actually just a to-go clear container that I got whenever we're bringing home some leftover food from the restaurant. So that's where I'm placing that. And then here are some scrubbers. Also, I'm placing them there. Anything that we will use every day to hand wash things. Even this magic eraser, I'm placing it here. And also I'm going to be putting a pair of gloves that I use. Okay, so I really like that all the things, all our cleaning essentials are here within easy reach. These are the only ones that we would need on a regular or on a daily basis. None of the items that we rarely use. And I'm glad that this organizer that I DIY'd can hold so many stuff. And it used to be a problem where we're storing the rolls of garbage bags So I'm so glad that it fits perfectly here. It now has its own place that is within easy reach. The lower basket acted as a dispenser for these garbage bags, and there's still plenty of room behind it for our floor cleaning supplies, like for example this refills for the floor mops. And then this is another solution. The Dollar Tree doesn't sell this. I got this at Daiso for $1.50, and this is actually like a magazine bin or a book bin. They can also use this for holding drinks. I've attached a couple of command hooks here, and because this bin is slatted, I can just put it here, and this is where I'm going to be organizing our grocery bags. And I made sure to hang it higher than the items below so that when I close this door, the basket will not hit anything. And there's enough clearance that it doesn't hit the bulky plumbing fixture as well. I really love how everything turned out, and it's more functional and not too messy, and it's easier to maintain and keep everything neatly in place. And I kept a lot of the overstock or other items that are duplicates in another container in our garage so that when we need them there we can just go there and pick them up. But everything here are what we just need every day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be in need of organizing ideas under the sink. And let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this organizing style. Do you have any similar challenges in your kitchen and specifically the areas under the sink? Let me know in the comment section because I'd love to hear them. And do you think that this style of organization may or may not help you? So also, I do hope you all are having a great day. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.